Hello everyone. It's a beautiful day here in Indiana. Just wanted to talk to you about walking. I know in one of our last videos I encouraged you to get walking just 10 minutes a day. That's really all it takes, especially if you've been sedentary and not used to being active regularly. Just walking 10 minutes a day, your body's really going to start to respond to that activity. And then you can, of course, gradually ramp things up. But this is all about getting in good habits for our health, for our posture, and for our spinal health. There's no need to be in pain if we work on it a little bit every day. So walking is also a great exercise to improve blood flow, improve joint health, and again, we're trying to improve our posture and reduce our back pain. So just checking in to see if you guys have been walking 10 minutes a day. Hopefully so. I know the beautiful weather helps. And also heading out with your furry friend. So get out there, you guys. 10 minutes today. We'll check in later.